If you have a Ryobi battery that's less than 3 years old and it does this because it's died early, you can call and get it replaced for free. And all you need is this serial number on the bottom, which has the date code, which gives you the birthday of the battery. And I'll show you how to interpret that and tell you how to get your battery replaced for nothing. I use Ryobi 18-volt batteries and tools for just about everything so that I can have a common battery. This is one of the 1.5-hour batteries that I bought in a box with a couple drills and another identical battery. And I got this in November of 2023, and it died about 7 months later. I got two batteries here, obviously different capacity, but of the same generation. You can see I always write on these Ryobi batteries when I buy them so I can tell without having to look it up how long I've had them. This one's fully charged, and when I hit it, it looks like that. This guy is dead, and when I hit it, it does this. When I called Ryobi, they had me plug this into the charger. So here's my charger, sitting there with a solid red light on. When I plug the battery in, it goes to flashing red, and then a few moments later, flashing red and green. It even looks a little bit orange now, but that's probably just the green LED bleeding through. This is the condition that the Ryobi representative told me indicates that this battery is actually bad. That's fine. A lot of my other batteries work great, but I need this one replaced because it has a 3-year battery warranty. I took it into Home Depot and they said they no longer replace batteries that are more than 90 days past purchase. When I call the 800 number for Ryobi in the United States, they need to know this model number and they need to know this serial number. Now, this serial number has really important information in the first 4 digits. For this particular battery, it says 2134. That means this battery was manufactured in 2021 in the 34th week. When I made my call, we're actually sitting in 2024 in the 30th week. So when I called Ryobi and told them that this battery had failed, she asked me for the serial number and she told me I was in luck. My battery still had 4 weeks of warranty left and she would replace it for me. I said, this has a 3-year warranty and I only bought it 6 months ago. And she told me that it means it sat around the Home Depot for about 2 years before I got it. And its warranty that is tied to its birth date began to expire long ago, but that my 3-year warranty based on my receipt was still applicable. If it had not been replaceable under this warranty, it would still be replaceable because I save all my Ryobi receipts. If the birthday is 3 years prior, but your receipt is still in force within 3 years, you can use the receipt, email it to them, and they'll send you another. They're sending me another one of these batteries. They said it will take 14 days. They're mailing it to my house, and I don't have to return this one.